Hello everyone. Today we will continue to solve the IGCSE Paper 1 of Math B. This video covers questions from 11 to 15. Previous videos of first 10 questions are on the channel. Next questions will be uploaded soon. Let us now get on with the first question today, question 11. For this question, we need to simplify these values under the roots into prime factors. It says not to use calculator, but we do not care.
Nobody can stop me.
We can write 675 as this, and we can write 108 as this here. Now we will replace the numbers with their factors. The 5 and the 3 had squares which will get cancelled by the roots, leaving a common term, 3 cube. 5 minus 2 leaves us with 3 along with the rest of the multiple as it is. Then take the 3 that is outside the root, inside by turning it into 3 squared. Cancel the roots on both left-hand side and right-hand side. Upon multiplying 3 with 3, their powers add up, giving us our final answer of 3 to the power of 5. Or, we can rewrite it as 243. Moving on to question 12. We can see this is an algebraic mixed fraction, where we need to find the value of x. We will reciprocate and multiply the numerator with the opposite denominator to LCM and simplify left-hand side. Additionally, we will open up the brackets and simplify even more. We take the x's on one side and the numbers on the other. Then we switch sides to isolate the x and get the final answer. I forgot to write the answers with red color. Moving on to question 13 now. This is a circles intersection chord theorem problem. To solve this math, we need to have the theories for intersection chord memorized properly. Pay attention to the lines being drawn. This is the theorem we need to apply here. The two lines intersect and divide each other into two pieces. These two pieces multiply and give the same constant, hence their multiplication two pieces are always equal. We rewrite the same formula from our theorem, then we replace them with the values given to us in the diagram and the question. Upon replacing the values, we can isolate and find the value of the missing length from the diagram, which is EC. We get length of EC as 18.2. Since we need to find radius, we will need to get the diameter AEC by adding AE to EC. Their values add up to 23.2. Radius is the half of diameter. Our diameter is 23.2. So we will divide AEC by 2 and get our final answer. On to our second last question. We have been presented a graph. We are said to calculate an estimate at t equals to 5 from the graph. To draw a suitable straight line, we need to draw a tangent at t equals to 5. Please make sure the line is just barely touching and not overlapping the graph drawn at any means. We will take two different x and y points from this line to calculate our estimate. The higher point is at a coordinate of 6/74. And the lower point is at a coordinate of 3.8/0. For the estimate, we can use the gradient formula of graph. This is the formula of gradient, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. We replace the values of the coordinates from the graph, and simplify the answer. Upon simplification, we get this tiny fraction, which we can put into the calculator and find our estimate. For our last question today, we have a circle overlapped by two triangles with joint common side OT, also a tangent to the circle at T. And we need to find the angle X or the angle formed at OST. Since both OT and OR are radius of the circle, they are equal. Joining them forms the same angle, hence ORT is also 28 degrees. Since a triangle is formed at exactly 180 degrees, we can find the top angle ROT by subtracting. Now since straight lines have 180 degrees, we can subtract ROT and get TOS. Here we get angle TOS as 56 degrees. Now for the final blow. We can see the tangent forms a 90-degree right angle at OTS. With this additional information, we can finally find our X. Since triangle OST also forms 180 degrees in total, the angle OST will subtract by it, and we get our final answer as X is equals to 34 degrees. That's it for today, everyone. The next questions will be coming soon, and since only 2 videos worth of questions remain, paper 2 will also be in production very soon. Hopefully everyone got the solution for their doubts, and reasonings of theories applied to solve the questions. If needed, don't hesitate to comment down questions that may pop up later on. Make sure to like, subscribe and share so more people in doubt can be tension-free. Thank you for watching.